Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to get unbanned on PayPal or how to unblock your PayPal account. So whatever reason your account might get blocked or your access might be restricted. So whatever it is, so the best way to restore your account is firstly log into your PayPal account, especially use the web to log in because sometimes it might not let you log in through the app if your account is restricted or blocked. So best option is to log in on the web. So once you've logged in, click on help, or otherwise you can scroll all the way down and click on contact us. All right, so the best option to restore your account is directly contacting them. So what you can do is under contact us, scroll down and click on call us option, because this would be a better and effective option rather than any other ways to contact people. Is because this is much quicker and you get to speak to someone who can assist you and can find out what the actual issue is and sort it out. So what you do is click on call us. So once you click on that, you'll get the dialing instructions. So here you'll get the phone number, whatever it, or the number depends on your location. So that's your phone number. So dial on that and also make a note of this code here. It's a one-off passcode. So they will be asking you this code once you're on the line. So take a note of this code and then directly connect to the customer service operator and explain to them the issue and ask them what is the actual issue, and if everything goes well, they should be able to restore your account within 2 to 3 days. And this option would be a most effective one rather than sending an email or using the forum, because you get to know what your actual problem is and what's the best solution. So you can directly talk to someone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.